Magnetic plate, plate magnets, block magnets. Sinoneo block or plate magnets, magnetic plate separators are designed for removing tramp metals from the low-volume materials flow. There are 4 types of magnetic plates available: flush face, exposed pole, spout magnet, and suspended plate magnets. It can be used in various kinds of processes. They are usually installed above transfer conveyors and vibratory feeders to attract tramp-type ferrous contamination and any loose machinery that has fallen off during the manufacturing and packaging stages. The magnetic plate consists of 2 rows of magnetic material running the full length of the plate. These rows of magnets generate the high-intensity magnetic flux fields that capture tramp contamination. The plate magnets can be easily installed and are supplied complete with sanitary hinges, latches, and mounting hardware. Features of plate magnets: efficient cost-saving recovery of harmful tramp iron in free-flowing materials. Plate magnets can be mounted both above and below the product flow. Magnetic separators capture maximum common ferrous debris. Durable stainless steel construction for easy cleaning. Hanging plates can be swung out, simple to install and have no maintenance, lightweight and user-friendly. Sinoneo Magnet is a professional manufacturer and exporter of the plate magnets, magnetic plate separators, strong block magnets in China. We supply high quality of the flush face, exposed pole, spout magnet, and suspended plate magnets within the time stipulated.